Today, I'd like to talk about my bowling condition again. Last year, Tanabata, July 7th, I had a stroke of the backache, which the doctor said herunia for the aged people. And it didn't get well, although I have been taking these medicines instructed, but two doctors separately insist that I should not play bowling, but I thought the stroke itself happened because of the corona and also the rainy seasons. After the rainy season, July 7th last year took place. That is because of my age. Maybe the muscles was very much weakened, and because of this, I had this stroke. I analyzed by myself, so I insisted two doctors, separate hospital and clinic, I would like to do it. And then both of them, well, it's your choice, and you do what you want to do. And since then, I've been taking this medicine. Still, it didn't get better. So because of this, I tried my bowling changed, or I had to change my bowling. Recently, because of my numbness of left leg, my right hand side waist ache. So I thought maybe I should use the left hand too. And yesterday, or the day before yesterday, yesterday, I tried to throw when I take the 10-pin. And about 10 years ago, I did the same thing. That was the time I was joking. I said to my wife that I can win with you even with the left hand. But the first, second, and third, all of them go to the right hand side gutter. So I realized that my left hand was not able to use it. But this time I used the actual bowl and practiced on the tatami, to throw in order to get 10-pin. But yesterday I failed again, and maybe I have to think about many details, like recently I add the tape inside the hole, and maybe that is one of the reasons. So this time, I would like to I wish I would be able to use left hand when I take the 10-pin. That's all.